because life is very short. Life is very fragile, and you cannot take life for granted at all. To live life very meaningfully and to make every day and every minute count. Do what you want to do. Do not wait until tomorrow, because tomorrow might not come. A bit of background of myself and what I do. I am working under the Royal Thai Air Force. I have been working in the Air Force for almost 11 years. I have been posted to many air wing bases to serve pilots and the families, including Air 1 Air Base in Korat, which is in the northeastern part of Thailand, where they have F-16, and also to Wing 2 air bases. And I have participated in many special combat exercise, including Cobra Gold and Cope Tiger, and also Thai Boomerang with the Australian. How I work impact others and help others. So my parents are both doctors, and they are one of kind of doctors who are very empathetic to their patients. They taught me by showing that when people are in suffering or when people are in need of help, you don't just sit back, you reach out to help always. And by seeing them every day, repeatedly doing what they do and helping their patients, the patient's family, and people around them, I think it's just really rooted me to become who I am today. And that is why I chose to become a doctor. The definitions of everyday hero for me is not something big or huge like the word hero itself, but I think a small act that is meaningful can be called hero as well. For example, when you work in a hospital, patient comes to you in their suffering, they need help. If you just be nice with your patients, just simple smile to them or ask them, how can I help you, and how I can help you decrease your suffering, your pain, and how can I assist you in any way that will help you and your family to be better. I think that small act is my term of hero. The most challenging part of my role as a doctor, a surgeon, a flight surgeon is something to do with patient life and death a lot. Sometimes I often embedded this kind of sadness into my everyday life and even go home and still think about it. So advice that I would like to give to those who want to work in this field when you have to help people or become in a position when your role is to provide services and help saving lives. This task requires a lot of sacrifice, and not only sacrifice, you need to have a heart for it. And if you have a heart for it, you need to really have a heart which are empathetic enough to help others. Because when patients come to us and they're in suffering, sometimes just a single smile to your patients and a family, you can help them and make their suffering so much better. Time is very crucial in my work because we are dealing with life and death most of the time. I never once wear a watch to hospital without a second hand. We have to see this second hand all the time because sometimes patients are running out or having a very low heart rate, or they are already in coma. Without a watch with a second hand, we are without instrument, we are without aid. What I think about the Everyday Heroes campaign organized by the Luminox is an excellent initiative. It shines a light on the incredible work that often goes unnoticed, and it also celebrates the people who dedicate their lives to helping others. It is a reminder of the importance of these efforts and encouragement for everyone to recognize. So we appreciate the heroes in our everyday lives.